Alright, this is a 2016 F-150 XLT with the top of the line 302A luxury package on it. It's got the chrome appearance package. It is two-wheel drive. So you have the 18-inch chrome rims. And these tires look really, really nice. A lot of tread left on them. It's got the EcoBoost, magnetic gray paint, Ford running boards. Sorry, it's super windy. LED side mirror blinkers. With the chrome exhaust tip. Reverse parking sensors. Tow package. Got the backup camera. You have the LED bed lights with your box links here in the corner, and the actual parts are in the bed here, or in the back of the cab there. I'll show you that in a second. Power sliding rear glass. Has the door keypad code entry, and we will provide the factory code for you. Got the heated side mirrors. It's got the backup camera with the dynamic guidelines. Show you which direction the wheel's turning. AM, FM, XM, CD, Bluetooth. You have the single zone climate control. And then you have the heated seats for driver as well as passenger. It is two-wheel drive, but you do have the electronic locking rear end. Your Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Trailer brake controller. And then down here you have two smart charging USB ports. A 12 volt. And a little storage cubby. There's your Bluetooth. Cruise control. 61,030 miles. You can see your kind of off-road status menu. Digital speedometer. Engine, hours. All kinds of good information here. Automatic headlights. There's your cab light, fog lights. Power adjustable pedals. You get a locking glove box. This is your Pro Trailer Backup Assist paperwork. Has all the stickers and information to set up trailers. You got your window sticker, so I have screenshots of this window sticker in the photos so you can see it in detail. And then the original owner's manual. Looks like that was never opened. You have your power sliding rear glass, a little sunglass holder. These are sliding. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You have a power driver seat. gray cloth. You have your cup holders up here. Flip that seat up. You have some storage as well as some cup holders here. And you can flip this around. That way you have more room here. Headrests fold down so you get more room to see out the back window. It's a power sliding glass, and then you have the rear window defrost in it. You got some storage here, and here is those box links that I was telling you about. So these hook into those black squares there, and then you can lock them with the keys. So you got the keys in there. You have another 12-volt outlet down there. Adjustable steering column. And then you do get remote start and keyless entry. There you go, tow haul and sport mode.